Hey guys, doing a new YouTube video. Oh, is this better? Nope. This is better. Oh, well, I'm doing a YouTube video. Y'all know who? Rachet Radonza. She has come back from, where was it? Canada, because, like, you know, she had to go visit her mom in ghetto Canada. Well, now she's back, and she's going to be telling y'all about her airplane ride. So, this is kind of weird, but yeah, she will be telling you about her airplane ride back and there. Oh my god. But I thought the story was pretty crazy, so I was going to make her say it on YouTube. Hey y'all, I'm back. Well, I'm going to be telling y'all about my airplane ride. Yes, I got new weave. Well, the airplane ride there was, you know, kind of weird. You know, there's like a lot going on. Like, too much talking. These people will not shut up. I was like, excuse me, there is a woman right here trying to sleep. Shut your little nasty crusty buns up. Well, they kept on going with their little talking conversations. So I had to get up and beat somebody's ass. And yes, I do got a string down here. Because it's for my earplugs. Well, so after that, the airplane ride was just, well, on the way back. The way back was way worse. Okay. I had a little freaking midget sit by me. He was like, I don't know, like his suitcase was as big as him. And, well, he was sitting by me, and I had smelled something nasty as hell, and I was like, it ain't me, because I smell good as hell. Got my new deodorant today. So I lean over, and I'm like, this nigga over here farting and letting out some of his armpit juice hair, whatever. And I said, excuse me, sir, knocking on his head. I can smell your nasty ass over here farting. There is no class up in first class, because I was in first class, and he said about me in first class. I was like, yes. And he was just sitting by me. Oh, wait, where was I? Oh, yeah, he was farting. And I said, excuse me, sir. Why you over here farting? You ain't got no class if you in first class. Take your nasty ass back to second. And so he just sat there ignoring me, ignoring me. I was like, this motherfucker about to get hurt. So I carry my knife around with me everywhere. So I said, who wants to get cut? Because there is a knife right here waiting to get some blood on it. So I start tapping him with it. Sir, your nasty ass just farted. And I ain't having it again. He ignored me again. I hate to tell y'all this, but I cut him. And I got kicked off the plane. But my ass didn't go to jail. That's the good part about it. I didn't go to jail. Oh, shit. Almost cut my leg off. Well, I didn't go to jail because, you know, I'm a fasty bitch. And plane ride was awesome the rest of the way. Well, when I cut him, we were only like, let's see. I know where we were, but I got dropped off in the state. I was like, bitch, I don't live here. I live my ass down in Texas. So I just stared at them. Well, my story is kind of crazy. Yes, my earplugs are on my chin, so don't judge. Because they're cute. And yes, my weave is cute. I told you before. I got new weave. I know it looks fasty. Well, I think that's the end of my story because I don't know. Well, bye. Alyssa told me to tell y'all this story, so I did. And I'm about to go eat me some pickles. So, deuce. Y'all heard her story. I thought it was crazy. So me and her are going to be hanging around in the mall together tomorrow after school. But she doesn't go to school with me. She doesn't go to school. I think she does online school. But I don't know. Because, yeah. And one more thing. If you guys like and comment, which I know you don't, because I only put this on my Snapchat that I have YouTube. And comment and like or whatever, and I will be putting this on my Twitter and Instagram, so follow me on those. And yeah, I think that's it. And subscribe to my channel. Deuce.